Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to school. This is the fourth bimester. I hope you give it your very best shot so that at the end of the year you have something you'll be really proud of. Okay, so today we'll be looking at Cambridge FCE listening part 4. Okay, what is this part about? Let's go to the next slide. All right, now it's very relevant to pay attention to some of these details. Okay, first, it's always about an interview and conversation between two persons. Okay, second, it is about 7 multiple options, all right? A, B, C, D, okay? And here you must always identify the opinions, attitude, listen for both specific information, main gist, idea, or even the general idea of what the people are conversing about. Fourth, it's also important that each of the questions flow in the order, like in sequence of the text. So, for example, question 1 is from the beginning of the audio, okay? And the last question 7 is from the end of the audio, all right? Finally, you will always listen to this particular listening twice. Now, how to do it? Now, this is very important to pay attention. Before you start listening, you have a gap of 30 seconds. This gap, what you do, you read very quickly the 7 questions and highlight key points, okay? So that you listen very carefully to try to understand also what they're trying to say when the audio starts. Now, after highlighting the keywords in the questions, not in the option, in the questions, okay, this keyword help you to search specifically the synonyms in what you hear, okay, from the audio. Now, thirdly, when you listen to this general idea, always wait until the speaker finishes before you choose your correct answer. Now, how do you know your answer? You hear the synonyms of the option in the multiple option in the audio, okay? The synonym, not exactly the main words you hear or you see on the text. Most times, the main word you see on the text, they are called word distractors. That's number 5. So try not to follow that because most times they are often very misleading. They're not correct most times, okay? Now, 6, ensure you justify your answers if you're not sure. When you listen to the second time, that way you get to actually justify your answers if you're right or wrong, okay? And now, the most important, have a pen and a paper. That helps you to actually note down very important key points because, as usual, we will always justify our answers. All right? Now, this is an example of what listening is about, okay? It's an example, okay? Now, this is an example of the listening. In this particular listening, you can see you highlight the keywords. Question 1, okay? You have most people buy book. Question 2, parents feel early interest. These are the keywords. Highlight them before you listen. Number 3, Monica applied to work as a gardener journalist because. So what's you said applied to work, gardening journalist. These are the keyword. Why did Monica give up her job? Now the keyword give up, job, magazine. These are the keywords, okay? And then the last one, which is the question 5, 6, and 7. Similarly, what makes a gardening book special? So what's the keyword? Gardening special. Gardening book special. 6. What does Monica dislike about the photograph in many gardening books? Okay, dislike photographs. These are the keywords. 7, the final one. What makes Monica unsure whether to accept the job on television? Unsure, that is the keyword. Accept, job on television. These are the keywords. Okay, so I wish you all the best. Remember that when you are writing, in this part here, you write your answer, which is A, B, or C, okay? And here, you write those justification keywords that you heard that justifies if it's A, if it's B, or C. So you write them down. Now, this can go all the way under. There's no problem. There's enough space, okay? All right, so I wish you all the best. Make sure you listen to this video as many times and we'll see you in the class at 1:15. See you all and have a good day. Try to do this activity before the class, okay? Try to do this activity. I will upload the audio and that's all. Remember, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and like the button. And don't forget to share. Bye-bye.